In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix CapCut lag for any phone. So if you're having lagging or hanging problem in CapCut, here are a few different solutions to fix this problem. Our first solution is give a simple restart to your phone. Sometime restarting your phone can fix this kind of issue. So just go ahead and simply restart your phone and then relaunch your CapCut app and check your CapCut lag problem solved or not. And the second solution is update the CapCut app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for CapCut. If you see any new update available, just update the CapCut app. Sometime updating your CapCut app can fix any kind of glitches you are facing in your CapCut app. And the next solution is offload the CapCut app and reinstall if you're using iPhone. And if you're using Android phone, just clear the CapCut app data. To do it, long press the CapCut app on your app library. Tap this info button. In here, you have to tap on storage. Tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data. After doing this, relaunch the CapCut app on your phone and check your CapCut lagging or hanging problem solved or not. And the next solution is make sure your phone has enough available storage. If your phone storage is almost 90% fulfill, then you need to delete some unwanted apps and unwanted items from your gallery to free up your phone storage. So make sure your phone has at least 80% free storage. So sometime your storage full problem can cause this kind of lagging problem for CapCut app. And the last and final solution is completely uninstall the CapCut app from your device, and you need to reinstall the CapCut app. So if any of the solution fixes your problem, please give a like and comment on my video. Thanks for watching.